Ethan, what are we going to fish for today?
Pike, muskie, bass, and maybe panfish, big crappies.
We're going to have some fun?
Let's do this. Hey guys, so we got a pike, northern pike.
Yeah. I didn't record it. I got a little excited.
I got it. Oh!
Nope, nope, look out, bud. Look out, look out, look out.
Oh, work came out already?
Yeah.
Where's the grippers?
Right here.
Sure.
You want to get the... No, I get it, man. Look out, look out.
Idiot.
Look at the teeth on the bottom jaw. Especially.
Here, look on that side.
Oh, it got attacked! It got attacked!
That one got attacked too?
Bitten too.
You got a real fish on? Yeah. Good job, buddy. Work him. You're all right. You're all right. No. Keep reeling. Keep reeling. Keep reeling. You can do it. You can do it. Get that tip up. He's trying to get down in the weeds.
Oh
Yes, good job. Keep cranking. He's a good one. He's a good one. Keep cranking. Okay, we gotta get the... Hold on, we gotta tighten up the drag a bit. Okay, now crank him. Keep cranking. Let's go over by the boat. Let's go over and by the boat. Here, let me see.
Dude, this thing's huge.
Oh, he's tangled.
Yes?
That's what it is. Yeah.
I don't want to lose it.
Okay, hold on. You gotta get the boat over there.
Here, Dad. I'll get it.
Hold it. Okay, reel it up as I get closer, okay? Hold on tight. You got this. Buddy, get him now.
Oh my God.
Get him. It's your fish. You got him.
Oh
Keep reeling.
he's a pike. Dad, get it.
Yeah, he's a pike. Nice one.
Yeah! Let's go, Ethan.
Good job, buddy. He just went down in those weeds.
He's huge.
He just went down in those weeds.
He's a huge pike.
Oh, he's loose. Okay. Let's get him. You want to hold him?
Yes, please.
Oh boy, stop, buddy, stop. You're all right.
Did he get attacked by anything?
Hold him up.
He didn't get attacked by anything?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
No, hold him still. Good job.
Look at the
hold
blood.
Okay, we're gonna turn the boat around here.
Should I get
Because
the
you're in the
bloody
sun.
side or the unbloody side?
What's up,
Should I
buddy?
get the bloody side or the unbloody side?
You just hold him like that. Just like that. Yeah, buddy.
Oh!
Okay, let's let him go. What do you have to say about today's fishing, bud?
It's great. That's great.
It's tough, but you got one, right? You were patient. You waited till the last minute. We got one.
What a great way to end the day.
Good job.